Hey guys, what's up? It's Lucy for Review Unbox, etc. I'm actually sick right now. I have mono. You guys might be seeing a couple of random tech-related videos lately. And I also have this lisp. I got a lisp from it. So that sucks. But anyways, today I just have a really quick little unboxing for you guys. It's the Apple USB power adapter. It comes in this little, very Apple-esque box. You can see, it's like $30, which is overpriced, but oh well. Can read that. You probably don't want to, though. On the top of the box, it has this, where it was hanging from. On the side of the box, USB power adapter. Bottom, it's Apple Safe. All your stuff, power adapter, information, blah blah blah. So let's open this up on the bottom. Sorry guys if I don't sound up to par. So just use that little hinge. It comes in this little tab thing. So this is the power adapter itself. It comes in like this whole little combobulation. And it has some plastic on it, so let's peel that off. First off, Apple Safe. This is really small. It's a single USB, very small. It says designed by Apple in California. I don't know if you can... No, it's too blurry. I'd probably have to macro it. But it says designed by Apple in California, blah, blah, blah. So, that's the charger. Let's go into the box a little more. Very Apple-esque. It comes with another power cable, which is awesome. These 3-pin adapter, very helpful. As you can see, mine is fraying, so it's very nice that they do include another power cord. Yeah. And then go into the package a little more. You get a book on the power adapter about how to use it, safety. You have your 1-year limited warranty. That is all that's in the box. Very cute little box. Cute little travel adapter. Nice that they include another cable. So what you do is, this is for obviously charging when you're not by a computer. So what you do, I'll just use my old cable because I don't know. But what you do is you plug this into your iPod. Sorry, I just kicked the tripod. And then you plug, you plug this into, okay, sorry, wrong way. But you plug this into here, then you plug it into the wall and it will charge your iPod. So that was it, just a really quick unboxing of the Apple USB power adapter. Comes in this cute little box, and you get an extra cable. It's like $30. Pick it up, Target, Best Buy, Apple Seller, anywhere really. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Watch your new video. Sorry, this is probably a really bad video because I am sick, but I'll be home all next week with mono. So yeah guys, peace.